Yo, what's good guys? Theo here. In this video, I'm going to do a very simple demonstration of how we can use vanilla JavaScript and some functional programming ideas to build out a similar method to, say, Angular's compile service, which takes your HTML and then it plops it into the DOM. So let's sort of look at our HTML, right? We have nothing in there, right? But if we were to put in an H1, see we have our H1 and hey, there we go, cool. So what we'd like to do is build out a method that takes in an array of markup, which is going to be an array of objects. It's going to have a key of element, right, like h1 or span, whatever, and then it's going to have some text content. So let's build this out for ourselves. And I thought this is kind of a fun exercise to sort of test our knowledge of very, very basic vanilla JavaScript, and we'll put on an end case or a case of comments. So this is just going to take in some elements, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use functional programming. So I'm going to say elements.forEach, and I'm not using ES6, but this is going to take the element, and inside of here we're going to say var node is going to be equal to document dot create element, and here we're going to pass it the element dot type. After that, we're going to set the text content. We're going to say node dot text content is equal to the element dot content. Finally, we're going to grab document dot body dot append child, and we're just going to pass in the node. So with all of that in place, that's good. What I'd like to do though is I would like to go out and build my markup, which again is going to be an array of objects, and we're just going to do 3. Actually, we'll do 4. We'll make the last one a comment, and I'll show you how we can handle this. So here I will say type. It's going to be h1. And the content is I am an h1. Next one is going to be type span. Content, I am a span tag. Next is going to be type, it's going to be a UL. And then content is going to be I am a UL. And finally, we'll have type is going to be h5, and content, I am an h5. So with all that in place, let me go ahead here and look, right? We got our body, all that stuff, but we're going to call our method. We're going to say create markup, and so there's no elements in there, but the minute we pass in our markup, there we go. I'm an H1, I have a span tag, I'm a UL. If we actually look in here, our DOM should have updated with the elements we have added. So let me bring this up. In here we have our body. There you go. You can see that they are indeed updating. So if we come back in here, there we go. And here we go, body. And I can inspect them again. So let me look again. And there they are. There's all of our stuff. Let me just make another switch case real quick. What I can do here is let me turn off auto run JavaScript. And here all I'm going to do is say if element.type is equal to comment, then what I'm going to do is set, I'm just going to say var node right here. And then I'm just going to say node is equal to document dot create comment, and then I guess what we can pass in is the content. Else I can say, let me go back here and I can say node is equal to document dot create element dot type. And then that should be good to go. Let me look here, and what error are we getting? I want the type is equal to comment. Node is equal to else console log else. Oh, we're not actually running it. Sorry. Create comment, and then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say document dot body dot pen child. We'll say comment var node, and we'll say var comment. So let's run this now, and here we go. I'm in H1, I'm a span tag, I'm a UL, I'm in H5, but the minute I put comment in here and it says content is not defined, okay, and that is because we need element.content, and let me make sure this is not erroring. So let me see. We should say I am a comment. Let's see if this actually works for us. If we successfully created our comment. There we go. I am a comment. So we have created a comment as well. Pretty awesome. And yo, we can sort of see it update there on the fly. So we just made a condition. I'm a comment yo. So cool. Very sort of interesting concept to sort of look at how, maybe a compile service works in Angular and how we can go about creating our own markup and abstracting that complexity away from the user or whoever is needing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And please go ahead and check out my new website, the JavaScriptChronicles.com. I'm starting up a new series, getting started with JavaScript and just getting your feet wet. We're going to go from novice to expert, diving into some pretty intense concepts. But if you're interested, please check it out, the JavaScriptChronicles.com. Sign up for the mailing list. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.